How to back up WhatsApp chats on Android? This tutorial shows you how to save all your conversations so you never lose them. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Chats to open the chat settings. In the next step, tap on Chat Backup to open the backup options. From there, let me show you. Tap on Backup to create an immediate backup of all your chats right now. At this stage, wait for the backup to complete. You'll see a progress bar and the date and time of the last backup once it's done. Following this, if you want WhatsApp to back up your chats automatically, tap on Backup to Google Drive. Once done, select how often you want the backup to happen. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your preference. From there, tap on Google Account and select the Google account you want to use for the backup. At this stage, tap on Backup Over to choose whether the backup happens over Wi-Fi only or also over mobile data. Following this, it's recommended to select Wi-Fi only to avoid using up your mobile data during backups typically. Here's an important note. If you also want to include videos in your backup, toggle on Include Videos. Keep in mind, this will use significantly more storage space on your Google Drive. Finally, once everything is set up, your WhatsApp chats will now be backed up automatically according to your chosen schedule. So even if you lose or change your phone, your conversations will always be safe and restorable. And that's it. If this guide helped you back up your WhatsApp chats, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.